So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So the time is 6 a.m. in the morning, and as you have seen the title, we are heading towards the Tamini Ghat. It's me and Bhim Rao. So the plan was last moment, and since the lockdown has left up, so we decided that let's go for a ride, because it's been a very long time that we haven't gone anywhere. So yes, I left my house at around 5 a.m. in the morning, and currently now we are crossing Badlapur. The plan is to reach Tamini Ghat by 9:30, so that we can come back early. So let's see, the weather's good, it's not raining. I'm wearing my rain liner just in case it rains, so let's get going. So I'm not sure if you guys can clearly see the weather, but the weather is super amazing. I mean, it's not raining, but the clouds and the scenery is amazing. And we are crossing Neral now, and the roads have been completed. I have been here around 6 months before when the construction was going on, and the roads were not that good. But after the lockdown, a lot has changed. The roads are amazing. Reaching Lonavala from here is like a piece of cake now. I don't have to travel, because usually I used to go from Navi Mumbai side, because that was the meetup point for everyone. But today I decided to take this route, and oh my god, the route is so amazing. Okay, ATM with panniers and a pillion. Nice. Okay, I don't see any barricades, so let's just hope that there are no roadblocks ahead. Let's hope for the best. So yes, I think we still have covered the 50% route. I'm not sure how many kilometers are here from Tamini Ghat, but yeah, I'm guessing another 1 or 1.5 hours from here. So let's see. As long as it's not raining heavily, there won't be an issue. And I just realized that I've been through Pauna Lake and Lonavala so many times, but I've never came on these routes. I mean, it's amazing, and I think it's the best time to visit, because ज़्यादा बारिश नहीं हो रही है, सुबह का टाइम है, तो ज़्यादा लोग भी नहीं हैं. There's less traffic. All you have to be very careful, because it's a both direction road. सामने से आने वाली vehicle, so you have to be very careful. And the wind blast, बहुत ज़्यादा wind blast है यहाँ पे. What do I do normally in this circumstances now? अभी मेरा phone अंदर है because it's raining, but I plug into GPS. So through GPS, at least you get to know the twists and turns early, so you are prepared. So yeah, let's see. Just need to get out of this. Luckily the weather is better. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश नहीं हो रही है, so it's fine. Tamini Ghat, I am guessing more 50 kilometers होगा, because as per the kilometers. So let's see. जल्द से जल्द वहाँ पहुँचते हैं, and I'll show you guys around. Look at the view. It's simply great. I mean, बहुत सही decision था यहाँ पे आने का, and it's been a very long time कि हम लोग कोई ride पे नहीं गए थे, तो yeah, great. And the roads are nice. I mean, इतनी बुरे roads भी नहीं हैं. We took a small break for clicking photos, and बहुत सारे photos click कर लिए, and बारिश, हल्की सी बारिश चालू हो गई है. So let's say it is like now 10-15 kilometers more from here, Tamini Ghat. Let's quickly get going and let's explore. And my visor has started to fog up, so I'll better open up my visor. Just a moment. I mean, I can do this road easily, there's no problem. The only issue is my tires. The variability of tires has gone, because it's like 20,000 kilometers से ज़्यादा हो गया है. So I'm not sure कि how much they'll sustain, but yeah, I'll try to keep it in line as much as possible. I remember ये रोड देख के मुझे ना वो वी हैड बीन टू राजमाची लास्ट ईयर आई गेस यस. तो ये राजमाची की रोड्स की तरह है बट या दिस आर अ लिटिल बेटर बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो मड. तो ये थोड़ा बेटर है बट यार द रोड इज स्लिपरी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल स्पेशली मी बिकॉज मेरा टायर्स का जो हालत है ओनली आई नो. सो या ओके बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आ गई है और बहुत ज़्यादा. सो वी मेट फ्यू राइडर्स फ्रॉम पुणे. तो दे सेड कि यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है. सो लेट्स से वी आर वेरी क्लोज. तो अभी इतना दूर आए हैं तो वी थॉट अभी इतना दूर आए तो एटलीस्ट वील सी दिस. आई चेंज्ड माई वाइजर टू क्रोम. I shouldn't have done that because the visibility reduces and because it's raining I can't open the visor now. And देखते हैं यार, we'll figure it out. तो यहाँ से एक बहुत अमेजिंग व्यू आता है बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो अब कितना विजिबल होगा. द रीज़न बीइंग बहुत ज़्यादा फॉग है यहाँ पे एंड आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज ये स्लोप जो है यू नो इट्स नॉट रियली सेफ बिकॉज मेरे शूज़ स्लिप हो रहे हैं. But there's something more interesting I'll show you. You just have to be a little bit careful. Okay, where was it? Yeah, here it is. You will love the view. It's so damn amazing. And we are just at the right spot. Look at the view. There's a valley down here which I'm not sure कि अगर इसमें clearly दिख रहा है but this place is a must visit and I'm glad कि मैं आज यहाँ पे आया. So there's one more point. We'll go over there and I'll show you the view from there. दे पकड़.
नाही चल चाल. थोडं टाकू नको बा व्हिडिओ मध्ये. टाकणारच आहे ना मी.
So this is worth it. Look at the view. Started raining तो भागो यहाँ से. अरे क्लाइंबिंग इजी है. मेरा माइक जस्ट व्हेन आई थॉट मी बाइक मध्ये होतोय सगळं. जस्ट व्हेन आई थॉट कि ये व्यू बहुत अमेजिंग है. इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग वेरी बैडली सो आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज हां कुठे झाड. हां हां चल चल. रेन प्रोटेक्शन. हाँ नाही भिजला. फाइनली बारिश रुक गई. हम लोग निकल रहे हैं जल्दी से बिकॉज वी वर प्लानिंग टू लीव अर्ली बट द व्यू वाज सो अमेजिंग कि हम लोग रुक गए. बहुत सारे फोटोज खींचे एंड इट वाज वर्थ इट. आई मीन आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम वी हैड दिस राइड. Which you will be seeing now. So I'll end the video over here. I came back home and now I'll transfer all the data to my laptop and start editing. So if you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment down below what you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Siddesh Shelar. The link is at the bottom. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram handle over here, so follow me on Instagram as well. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.